Hi kids, welcome back to Moony. Today we're gonna learn some color temperature and some color separation. I'm so excited. For this experiment, you will need 2 plates, 2 paper discs, some warm water, some cold water, some black ink, and a mixing pipette. Awesome! Let's get into it. Did you know that black is not a primary or a secondary color? Some people don't even consider it a real color at all.
Wow!
We're gonna find out what colors make up black using our warm and cold water. Let's get into it. We're gonna add 2 to 3 drops of our black ink onto each paper disc. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Some colors are faster swimming than other colors. We're gonna learn what makes the colors swim faster, warm water or cold water. All right, we're gonna fill our mixing pipette with warm water and add 5 drops to 1 disc. Wow, look at how fast they're expanding. Now we're gonna add 5 more drops of warm water. Check this out. Wow, do you see what's happening? How many colors do you see? We have green and red. Cool. Now let's see how cold water reacts. Interesting. Take a look. Do you notice a difference? With our warm water disc, more colors came out faster, whereas our cold water disc, we still got the same colors, but not as much. We also learned the colors that make up black. We have green ink and red ink. Cyan and yellow are used to make green ink. Magenta and yellow are used to make red ink. That means cyan, magenta, and yellow ink are used to make black.
Wow!
Cool! Thank you so much for watching and learning all about color temperature and color separation with me. I had so much fun. Oh, and don't forget, wave goodnight to the moon for me.